Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Sunday. We're going to be doing some technical analysis for Bitcoin, some of the altcoins, and what we are going to be watching out for the next weekly open, which is going to be in about 15 hours, as you can see right here on the weekly time frame. The most important thing right now for Bitcoin is that we need to see a close actually above 64.4k. Basically, this is going to be a weekly candle close above the value area low. As you can see right here, right now, it is pretty tight. The bulls are trying to push this candle back above the value area low, but as of right now, they're failing to do so. We still got like 15 hours, as I said, until the weekly candle closes. So the bulls potentially have plenty of time to push this candle back above, and then we could see another bullish weekly candle come out and go up, and then we could potentially retest that POC area, which is of course trading at around 67.4k. So those are going to be the targets right now that we are watching for. That POC right here, and then eventually if that POC level gets flipped and gets taken out, we need to see something like this play out. We get a bullish retest of the POC, then we could very well say with confidence we are going to go up for the value area high of the range, and this is where things are going to get interesting. This is where we are going to be starting to look for these short positions, if of course we don't start heading higher and break some structures on the daily time frame to continue higher. But as of right now, the more probable scenario is that we go down for another leg towards the downside. As you know, my macro target still remains below this week from the summer range of 2024. So until this level gets taken out, I can be 100% bullish, as you know. So this is what we are looking for on the macro time frame for Bitcoin. Same thing right now for ETH. On the daily, ETH is actually pushing very nice and holding very well yesterday. You can see yesterday we actually retested this order block right here yet again. ETH actually pumped above $1,820, and we have rejected from this level yet again right now. But still on the daily, you can see price is looking very strong ever since we started pumping from the monthly open level right here. So for this month, it is up as of right now 14%, which is pretty nice to see. Solana is a bit on the bearish side. We could go down and retest the monthly open level or the monthly pivot once again, because I don't believe maybe it actually got tested right here. You can see exactly on the 1st of the month Solana did test its monthly pivot, but of course it could mean that we can get, that doesn't mean we can't get another retest. So another potential bullish retest of this level before we go up again is very much possible. So be on the watch out for that as well. Stock market is going to be very interesting how it opens. You can see the S&P 500 is actually very close towards its all-time high, and the next open might be very telling what will happen next. You can see on the Nasdaq we are quite a bit falling behind, but we are still forming that bullish triangle right here, which tends to break towards the upside. So this right here, a bullish pattern, so be on the watch out for that. We might as well be forming one long range right here yet again, like we did last time right here. You can see this was one long range, then we got that dump towards the downside, and then price started going up again. So this could very well happen this time as well. Hype is also holding right now. Still, this pattern, this ascending triangle right here, is in my opinion going to be playing out sooner or later. You can see Hype is basically creating that bigger range, and the tighter the consolidation gets, the more explosive the move will be. So this is basically the outlook for hype. SUI right now consolidating, basically very slow and low price action, no liquidity at all right here and volume on this coin until we get some major moves in Bitcoin. SUI will remain as it is right now, but during the bull markets you can see it gives us some very nice moves. XRP is just trading around $1, which is nice to see. If we start losing this level, then 76 cents is going to be the next target, which are just around a bear market territory prices for XRP. So it's going to be a very nice buy. You can see basically during this bull market XRP actually pumped quite heavily, so this is nice to see. But if we go back to Bitcoin right now, on the short term, you can see it clearly right here. We've got open interest quite flushed out. You can see it fell down quite a lot. Same thing with the delta. And this actually means that we've got some longs position closing out right here during these terms towards the downside. And the delta going down while price is going down is meaning that we also have shorts opening up right here. So this you could interpret it as a good thing, since shorts are going to give us that nice power and momentum squeeze that we need in order for price to move higher. So the more shorts that open right here could give us that move that we are awaiting towards the upside. So be on the watch out for that. You can see still the major of liquidity is sitting towards the upside right here at around $65,000. We have this big yellow liquidation cluster that is going to get taken out sooner or later, maybe in the next couple of hours, the next couple of days, or in the next 1 or 2 weeks, but this liquidation cluster will get taken out. Fear and Greed index right now is around 31. As you can see, nothing has changed from yesterday, still the same. As I said, even though we're getting some volatile moves during the weekend, they are not actually that massive, just 1% moves, so nothing that crazy. Spot ETFs, nothing has happened here since it is the weekend, and overall on the major exchanges, basically long versus shorts ratio is right now more on the long side, even though, as I said, longs got closed out right here and shorts are opening. People are still trying to long, which is going to give us that nice momentum build that we need to see. Let's see for next week. For Monday, we don't have that much going on. Basically, members from the FOMC will be speaking, so this could be some volatility. And on Tuesday, we got the most important news. We got CPI data. We got the Fed chairman Walsh, he will be testifying. We also do have on Wednesday some PPI data coming out, as you can see right here. On Thursday, what do we have? We actually do have retail sales, unemployment claims, so and inflation data of price. So next week, guys, is going to be very, very important. Be on the watch out for next week. Be careful trading, and I do believe that this would cover it for today. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.